Hi guys, this video is on our signature model called Kunu. We created this model to comprise all of our favourite elements from all of our previous custom conversions.
Yeah, the layout is a fixed bed layout. It's inspired by Fredy, but it also takes elements from Stacia with the lovely curtains and the touch sensitive downlights above the kitchen, unique cupboard fronts and handles from Biggie Small.
So this model we've designed to be for people that want to go off-grid. It can also be used in campsites who will have a hookup. It's designed and optimised for all seasons, and it uses tried and tested methods and materials in our contemporary style. But there are still lots of aspects that you can customise and really make the look and feel of it your own.
From choices in tone of the wood to different colours of fabric and tiles.
It's got a lovely metro tiled splashback and shower feature wall, which is inspired from our first ever conversion, Archie.
There is a Simplu composting toilet which is removable when showering, and some hanging solutions. It is built to be spacious and open, with emphasis on being connected to the outdoors. There is a full kitchen with oven, 3-burner hob and grill, and a large sink. There is a versatile seating area where you can sit opposite each other for dining, and these contain storage. They can also be moved together to form a bench, ideal for lounging whilst reading a book in front of the door. These seats can also be configured with the table to make a small third bed. In the sleeping area there are 2 reading lights with built-in USB ports, and the bed is extended by recesses in the walls to up to 188 centimetres. At the back of the van there is a large garage area underneath the bed, lined with a durable fabric for all that wet gear.
If you want any more information, just get in contact with us or visit our website at www.vanlifeconversions.co.uk/Kunu. Thanks.
Thanks for watching.